What's up YouTube, it's your boy Trey back into the video, and today I'm going to be working on my 2007 TL Type S. So today we're going to be changing the spark plugs and maybe the coil packs. I'm going to check the spark plugs first. You know, you should generally change both if you're going to do both, and change all 6 instead of doing all 3 like me, but I already changed my first 3 before. Reason why I'm changing is due to the fact I keep having a misfire, and when I'm sitting at idle in the car, the RPMs drop below 1, which is kind of off. So I checked the first 3, not the first 3, the last 3, 4, 5, and 6 of the firing order, and those spark plugs and coil packs are fine. So I'm gonna check the first 3. So for firing order 1, 2, and 3, so cylinder 1, 2, and 3, and from there we will go on and see what the problem is. So as you guys can tell, I already started working on the car. I took off the cover, the brace, and I have like all the plastics. I take off all the plastics around the car. So this will be cylinder 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. I took off 1 already. I took off the coil pack for cylinder 1. I just you go in there, take out the spark plug. I would say use a swivel. If you have a swivel, that might be the easiest way. We're about to go ahead and figure that out right now. Okay, guys, this is spark plug number 1, number 2, and number 3, and this is 4, 5, and 6. Let's see number 1. There's a lot of detonation. You see, this is like really burnt. I think with 3 came out worse as well. You can tell, like, you can look and tell, like, they definitely need to change. Some rust on them. But not only that, a lot of buildup and detonation on the spark plugs. So I'm gonna go AutoZone, get all new ones, and I'll be back. Just came back from AutoZone. I just got the lube and the spark plugs. Time to lube them up and put them back in the motor. And hopefully this will fix our misfire. So yeah, I can show you all the part of me lubing the spark plugs. Just the fact my phone storage is low, but I did install all 6. See inside the hole, kind of hard, and also in the back as well. So I just gotta tighten them down and put in the coil packs and plug them back in and start it up. Okay, you guys, like I said before, I don't have enough storage, so we're gonna see if the car starts and if we fix the misfire issue.